We have important Linea Airdrop updates to go and tell you they seem to have set a date for the TG and the airdrop. So we'll say we jump straight to the laptop. The first thing first is Magic Aiden over on Solana. They have gone out and allocated your second airdrop allocation. As we see here, it's 100% of the airdrop allocation has been sent out. So to check your results, go to the reward tab on the Magic Aiden website, and this is it. It's there. Go and claim it and you're good to go. On the side of my free time, which I didn't plan to go and record this, I actually opened a long trade on hype over on Wix and as well as on GRVT. I was like, I'll double it down because I really like this scenario. So on Wix here we got a $153 bonus, which we are gonna go and close right now on a flash trade. We did open this with $300 at a 30x, so quite risky, but it played out well as I thought it would. And as we see here, I am in a profit of a 60% over on Wix as well as on GRVT. Why both? Well, Wix is a non-KYC exchange and they do have a very interesting bonus for you all. You get a 20% bonus on $100, you get $20 on $1,000, you get $200. So go and trade with them up to $5,000. The link will be down below. Make sure you go and trade with them because it's a really nice bonus, and that's why. And it's also no KYC, meaning that everybody can participate. So the link will be down below. Come and trade with me, come and sign up and participate to my calls over here on Twitter, on YouTube, or on the Telegram channel. Free to join, by the way. And then why GRVT? Well, GRVT is an exchange, as we see, because clearly I am trading on it, but it is a KYC exchange, so you do need to provide your KYC, but it's gonna have an airdrop, and that is why, being in the airdrop world, I do like to go and take both trades. So these are two profitable positions, which I'm gonna go and close in this video with you and take the profit and be happy. Now, can it go higher when you go and trade? When do you close it? Well, you close it when you're happy. Personally, I am happy with a 62% profit on a 30x, which it is risky, meaning that if there's any bad news in terms of tariffs, in terms of the world economy, in terms of world situation, it can crumble down. Or a 30x is quite risky. And this profit of a 61%, $173 is absolutely amazing. So I will go and close it here, flash close. And as we see, order close and I received my money, which is absolutely amazing. And the same over on GRVT because money is money. Overall, this is about $230 profit on a single day. It's very good, especially with a 30 and a 20x profit. And here we can go and close it at the market price. Click on confirm, closing, and taking the profit. So make sure to come and join with me. As you probably see also here, for those that made it until the end of the video, congratulations, there is a giveaway. All the instruction will be on the Twitter post that you're seeing this from. And also here at the end, you gotta like, retweet, share this video. If it is on a full YouTube video, share the YouTube video, join my Telegram, and you must go and deposit over on Wix. You must do a deposit over on the Wix website to be eligible for this airdrop. And I do have your name if you go and sign up. So absolutely amazing. On to the next one. Next up, let's talk about the Plaza Finance, which you do remember and you probably forgot it by now, but you need to go and take some action. So this is a reminder for all of you. Make sure to go and take some action over on Plaza Finance, which is the next big airdrop in my opinion. And you do have the first bond ETH coupon is now claimable, 20,000 of real yield in USDC paid out to the bond Ethereum holders. Now, Plaza Finance is this one right here. And as we see, I am at 3.1 million points over on their protocol, and I'm ranked 118 over on the Plaza Finance. So this is a point structure future airdrop. So all you gotta do, as we see here, is leverage, deposit, multiply the points, etc. And as we see here, I'm getting all of the points for the actions that's been taken. You can see the points and reward. I will leave the link down below. Make sure to come and join me, of course. And then you have all of these things that you can claim, and then the leaderboard. But this one, make sure to go and do it because the season 2 is the next big airdrop. We already had the season 1, which I ranked 2100. Over on the season 2, I am going a little bit more mayhem, and I am at 180th rank. So make sure to go and do yours. Next up, we have the things that we want to talk about Linea. So the first one is actually not this one, this one. This is an update on the Linea build reward hub. So make sure to go over here, connect your wallet over, which, you know, with the MetaMask that we will do. Simply click on confirm, and here you go. So now, requested for this folia. Just go and do everything here. We got the crypto with lorenzo.linea.eth, which I do have the domain as well. Spin refresh, and you got this gamification of what it is. And you can go and, for example, this is kind of a, you know, spin the wheel type of situation, which you can do over here, and it is about a 4 cent transaction fees. This anyway will give you Linea transaction fees, and you are directly involved with the Linea website, which we do have right here. And then this is basically what it is. So they have implemented this one on the website, so make sure to go and try it. I will leave the link down below. You don't always win, but then you can go and do one spin for the next day, like swap on Linea, pay with the MetaMask card, trade on the outcome on Merit, transfer, land, etc. on a Linea domain, which is what I do have. And that is why I'm getting the free spin. And then simply go and do it. It is nice. Go over to home, go over to the apps, try to go and interact with as much as possible. You got the possibility to swap and bridge token as well. This will give you the possibility for the interaction with the protocol as well, which we do see right here. One spin a day if you have a Linea name, which is what we have. And then go on, and if you win, perfect. But the important thing, aside from interacting with Linea, which it is the best thing that you can do right now, is this one. This is the Linea airdrop, seem to be here in 42 days. So we are looking at about September 20th for the airdrop days on which Linea will launch the TG, as well as the airdrop claim, and make all of us happy. This is a interview which I will leave you at the end of the video so you don't see my face anymore, that basically the Linea CEO over here, he does say 42 is the answer you're looking for, which meaning either 42 hours, but she should have already been now, or after this video they're saying, Twitter goes crazy and we are able to do it, or 42 days, which in this case is the possible September 16th to 17th to go and get the airdrop allocation. So we are looking at the middle of September for finally the Linea airdrop to come and deliver what they are about the airdrop. So stay tuned. As of right now, there's nothing to be said about Snapshot, only the LXP token, or those one have been awarded, yes, but interaction with any Linea bridging, swapping, Linea build over here, specifically this one, all of this has not been said to be taken a screenshot. So make sure you go and participate, and make sure you go and take this one and really do the most you can for the Linea airdrop and go and farm it as much as you can. We also have the Rex launch details on August 6th, as we see right here at 5 p.m. There is liquidity on Rex, which it is going to be the first DEX over on Linea, which is nice to go and see. And the decay fee mechanism commence from the 8 p.m. Eastern time, claims open, gauge added, and this is another, Linea protocol. And the airdrop for this one will also be delivered to the Linea users. So make sure to go and do all of these things. I hope you did enjoy today's video. I hope you did learn something new. And I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.